Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys the best YouTube detailing content on YouTube. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. So right here we have a Dodge Charger Scat Pack doing a maintenance detail on this car, and I'm just kind of showing Danielle just kind of how I like to just knock out these interior details on the maintenance, and then we're gonna go ahead and knock out the outside exterior as well. So I know that you guys saw some before shots and you probably were thinking this thing is not even dirty, and yes, you are correct. It was barely any dirt or anything inside this vehicle, just a little bit of light debris and dust in inside the doors and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and add a protection with our 303 aerospace, just giving it a wipe down while using our compressor to remove all that dust and stuff like that, because this vehicle was honestly as clean as you can think of it being, right? So just had a little bit of dirt on the carpet, of course. That's just gonna happen from going inside and out of the vehicle, but besides that, it was pretty much in the best condition. Honestly, it still looks brand new, and we're gonna continue helping the client making it look and keep that fresh new look. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Any ideas, make sure you comment down below as well. Check out all the links to the products and tools that we're using in this video, and enjoy the detailing process. Alright, so we are now starting to wash the outside of the vehicle, but we're going to go ahead and start off with the wheels before we start washing or foaming or anything like that. If you guys see me on my phone at any point throughout this video, you can kind of see that camera there. I'm just recording not a YouTube reel, a reel for TikTok and Instagram. I like to just go ahead and knock that out while I'm out there with some help. It definitely saves me a lot of time, so I like to use that time that I save to maybe create some more content or anything like that, because I just love creating content, you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and use our same methods as we always do. I'm not gonna get into any logistics and stuff like that, but I kind of want to tell you guys the importance of keeping maintenance clients on your calendar, right? So this client right here is paying us $80 a month to come out and basically wipe down the vehicle, vacuum it out, and wash it, and then spray our spray wax or sealant on the paint, right? So this client actually gets a free polish once a year, and as you guys see, I love detailing cars like this because this car is a very nice color, and it brings a lot of attention whenever we do post a video on it or pictures on our page. So we like to treat this client well, not because we're trying to use their car, but because we enjoy and we value them, right? So every time we come out, we always make sure that we don't miss a spot, right? It might seem as clean as possible when you first get there, but you want to be careful when you get cars that are super clean, because you could get a picky client, right? So these clients might have OCD. They might see stuff you can't see, you know what I'm saying? So it's just important that you take your time, don't rush the detail process, and just make sure that you're still getting in between the cracks and crevices as a regular detail. Is nothing should change. Maybe you'll want to do the detail process a lot faster and a lot quicker, but I'm telling you guys, take your time, because the client would definitely notice any missed spots or anything like that on the vehicle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the vehicle here. We use the Chemical Guy citrus washing gloss on this vehicle, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and come back next month around March to go ahead and clay bar polish this car out and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and also record that for you guys, and that is a free service for this client. So I've been coming to this client for like the past 6 months, and if I can do math properly off the top of my head, 80 times 6 is usually about 480 to 500 bucks for one vehicle, and we have 2 vehicles at this one client's house. So just do that by 2. In 6 months we almost made $1,000 based off the maintenance package. Right now, I'm not saying, price your prices at that point, but now I'm just showing you guys what we're charging and how we're trying to scale and grow the business based off, simple and easy, maintenance detail like this, because a lot of people, believe it or not, actually want to get their cars frequently detailed, especially if you're one of the best. They want to make sure that they book you on your calendar, and that you're the one coming out there and doing the job for them, and they don't have to go out there in the cold or in the hot sunny day, whatever the case may be. It's just important to go ahead and kind of lock that stuff in. Now, if you want me to go further into this topic and stuff like that, make sure you guys comment down below. I was just trying to spread a little value, spread a little bit of knowledge in this video here. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the detail process. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hustle never settle. Catch you guys on the next one. And yeah, man, let's keep growing and glowing. Let's go.